We are back in the kitchen for another awesome recipe. This is one that I just made this past Super Bowl weekend, and it's one of those recipes where I'm like, why don't I do this more often? So I'm sharing it with you guys. Today we are making homemade grilled wings. I got two different flavors. However, you can do whatever flavors that you like. The first flavor we are doing is going to be garlic parm. Absolutely the hands down best wing flavor. And then we are going very simple and doing a barbecue one as well. First things first, we are going to do the prep inside, and then we're gonna go head outside for the grill. But as you guys will see, this recipe is very straightforward. My true inspiration for this recipe is because most people think wings are unhealthy. Now you're not wrong. The wings from restaurants are unhealthy because they are breaded and deep fried. However, I'm gonna show you how grilled wings, as long as you do them right, can be just as, and in my opinion, way better than the wings at the restaurant and much healthier. So let's jump right into it. All right, so before we even get to the wings, the very first thing we are gonna prep is the seasoning. We're gonna do the garlic parm recipe first, and then we'll do the barbecue, and then we are ready to fire this thing up. So we're gonna put this together. I don't use any measurements. There are recipes online that have measurements, but I like to go by hand and see what turns out. So we're gonna start with our Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna do about 2 heaping teaspoons of Parmesan cheese. Next up, we got a little bit of basil, some oregano. Then we're gonna go some onion powder. That should be good. Some garlic powder. A little bit of black pepper. Bang. And then some sea salt. Bang. All right, let's give this a mix, and that should be good. And just like that, we made our own homemade garlic parm seasoning. The reason I made it homemade is because a lot of times if you're getting a seasoning from the store, they're gonna put a lot of crap in it, mostly sugar, and I don't like that, so we make it at home. All of these can go. We do not need them. Next thing up, we're gonna prepare the barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is prepared. In all seriousness, guys, you can pick many different sauces from the store. Again, just be careful of the ingredients. One of my favorite brands is Primal Kitchen. A little bit expensive, but it is organic, and I'm not gonna be using too much. These are very clean ingredients. I love the macros on this, and it's very simple barbecue sauce, so bang. Next thing we gotta do is prep the wings, and then we'll be good to go. Prepping the wings is very straightforward. All I'm gonna do is dry them with a paper towel and then put some salt on them. I don't need to put any other seasonings because we're gonna put the garlic parm rub on after, and then as well as the barbecue sauce that has seasonings within it. So no need to do anything other than dry them off and put salt. We do not have to go crazy with drying them off. Just for the most part, want to get all of them. Don't need too much, but I am a salt lover. Mix these up, and then we are going to be done the prep for our wings. So we're gonna go outside, fire up the grill, and get these bad boys on. All right, the grill is now 400 degrees. To be honest, I don't know if that's a good temperature, but that's hot, and that's gonna give the wings a nice little sizzle. That's all I'm looking for, and then we're just gonna do the little eye test. So we're gonna throw the wings on, and we're almost done. Oh yeah, these are looking good. Yeah, these are really coming together. I love these. All right, these things are definitely done. I'm gonna take them off, and then we're gonna finish these off with the rub and the barbecue sauce. So let's get these things off. right, these are done, and time to get our seasonings on. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra olive oil, just a very tiny bit, so that the rub sticks. Don't need it for the barbecue sauce, but mainly for the rub, and then we will be ready to try these things. All right, we got our oil, garlic parm first. Like I said, just a very tiny bit of olive oil. Get our seasoning, drizzle that right over, mix that in, then add a little bit more. Again, with the rub, it's really up to you in terms of how seasoned you want them to be. So those are good. Barbecue sauce, since these are scorching hot, I'm gonna put the sauce right in. If you wanna warm up the sauce, you're more than welcome to. I just never seen the need to, so we're gonna put this right in. I'm gonna start with a little bit again. Then we're gonna toss these in. And just like that, we are done. Nice barbecue wings and garlic parm, baby. All right, let's give these a try. I'm gonna start with the barbecue because I'm really looking forward to the garlic parm. Before I dive into these, I understand the controversy between flats and drums. I love both of them. They don't really make a difference to me. If I had to choose, I'd probably choose flats, but I do get the argument that the drums have more meat. It doesn't really matter to me. So let's try these. Barbecue first. And now for the garlic parm. This time we'll go with the drum. That's how good they are. And that is a wrap on these homemade grilled wings. We got barbecue, garlic parm. They were amazing. They are healthy, and I highly recommend you make these. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be doing a lot more recipes like this, so stay tuned. I will see you guys every single Monday at 10 a.m. Peace.